Nathan here, back at you with another video. So, I wanted to do the blast furnace to make money. So I started the giant dwarf quest, and I went ahead and just completed it, got it out of the way. So now I have access to the blast furnace, and I wanted to use the blast furnace for a way to build up my GP back up since I lost it all, and also work on my smithing level. And I came across that you can get a coal bag to hold a whole inventory worth of coal. So I figured that would be really useful. So I'm here in Falador in the Dwarven Mines at the Motherload mine. And I've been down here for about a day and a half into the new year. Happy 2019, everyone. And I am trying my best to get that 100 gold nuggets to trade for the cold bag. So that's what I've been doing. Hope your guys' RuneScape experience has been a little better than mine here of lately. So once I get the coal bag, I should be able to head back over to the blast furnace and pretty much double my profit, I guess, of bars that I'm going to be making. I'm really trying my best to get my GP back up. I still can't believe I lost freaking 15 million. I'm just over 3 mil now with it. I spent 2 on materials for the blast furnace. But once I figured out about the coal bag, I came straight over here, and I've been mining ever since. I started at probably 58 mining level, now at 63. So it's been a long time mining. This is the Motherload mine is pretty cool if you ask me. It gives you random ores once you put the pay dirt in the washer, and it will give you random ores based on your level. So I have 55 in there right now. I'm gonna throw these into the hopper, run down to the sack. Now I have 83. I'm going to search a sack, and I have 3 gold nuggets, handful of mithril ore, and gold ore. So I'm going to run over here to the deposit box, deposit all this, run back to the sack, whole bunch of coal, 1 mithril and 1 gold. Throw that in the bank, and last trip, mithril and coal. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I probably have like almost 60, around 60 gold nuggets or so. So just over halfway, gonna get the coal bag. And once I get the coal bag, I will get back to you guys.